Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So last week when I was walking through classrooms saying hello to students and popping on Google Meets, I noticed a lot of you have some crazy icons when you have your video turned off. So I saw SpongeBob SquarePants, Batman, and random animals throughout our Google Meets. So I'm going to show you how to create a logo with your name that you could use so when you turn off your video, we see your name there. So if you don't want to use your picture, this is another option for you. So you're just going to go to canva.com. So I showed you a couple Tech Tip Tuesdays back what Canva can be used for. You could create logos, flyers, announcements, basically anything you want. So I'm going to search for logos. And you see here, there are a ton of logos for you to choose from already made for you. You could change the font, the color, anything you want, or you could create one from scratch. So I want you to find one that you like. Okay, I'm going to select this one. And it's very easy to use. You just click in. You're going to type in your first and last name. Okay, we could change the font size. And I'm just going to go like that. Make it look pretty. Change the size. You change the color of the background if you'd like. So purple's my favorite color. I'm going to make that purple. I'm going to change the font color to maybe like a gray. And done. So just super simple, right? So I'm going to go to download. And I'm going to save this as a JPEG. And I'm going to go to download. Now you need to add this to your Google account. So you're going to click on your little icon and go to manage your Google account. And I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to select a photo. And I'm going to go to wherever that's saved. Go to open. And then you could crop this down however you'd like. Press enter. And now that's changed. So when I go into a Google Meet and I do not show my video, it'll say my name. So teachers know who that is. So they will see that you are there and it's not SpongeBob, Batman, or Spider-Man. So I encourage you all to do this. If you don't want your actual picture there, please just put your name. So you see right here, I'm in my Google Meet and I have my video turned off. And when it's turned off, I have that logo right there. So again, I encourage you all to put your name on there if you're not going to put your face. Next up, we have our master teacher, Mrs. Burke, who's going to show you how to organize your Google Chrome tabs. So if you're someone that likes to have 20 different browser tabs open at one time, this tip is for you. So here is Mrs. Burke.
Hey everyone, so I'm going to help you organize your Google Chrome browser so you can get rid of all these tabs up here and make it look more like this with nice little color-coded tabs. Okay, so to do this, Google Chrome has a new feature that allows you to group your tabs. So to do that, what you're going to do is click on the tab that you want to group. Okay, so I'm going to right-click on the tab here and I'm going to add tab to a new group. You'll see a little circle pop up on the left-hand side here. Click on that tab. Okay, I'm right-clicking on it, and I might title it, ELA Resources. Okay, and you can choose a color of your liking. I'll just do purple for this, and then you can click away. If I want to add another tab to that, I'll do that by right-clicking on a tab, add tab to group, and I can do ELA resources. And then you can see the purple outlines telling you they are grouped. That way, when I click on this tab, you'll see it closes them. So if I want to add another one, add to group, new group. Again, I'm right-clicking to get to that little menu. The dot pops up, right-click again. PD resources, and I might make it blue, and then just click away. Again, if I want to add this one to it, right click, add to group, and PD resources. Okay, and then just click on it to collapse those. It helps give you more space. The one thing I will caution you is, unfortunately, as of right now, if you close out of your browser, the tabs do not save. I know, kind of silly, but this is really helpful for those of you that just leave your browser open all the time, or if you just want to do it daily, you can do that too, but just keep in mind that you'll see if I close out of this, my browser, and if I reopen a new one, okay, let's close out of this one as well. Okay, you'll see they do not save, unfortunately, but either way, enjoy, have fun.